Welcome to the first 6-car group race here at Irons Diecast Racing. Cars in this race were awarded as the prize for winning the WeRaceDiecast DNQ tournament from 3 years ago. Up first, in the pole position, driving the lime Ford Focus, we have Rusty. Next to Rusty in the teal is Iron Man, and next to Iron Man in the purple is BB. Rusty came in second place overall in the DNQ tournament. They're looking smooth out of that turn. Rusty looks inside. And Jaden wrecks. Jaden, however, will have the pole for race 2. Jaden made it to round 2 of the WeRaceDiecast tournament, but came in third behind Rusty and Iron Man, who are both neck and neck just behind Jaden. Iron Man throws a block. They get it straightened out. Jaden has the lead. It's a mad dash to the finish, but it looks like it's going to be Iron Man taking the win. For race 3, we'll have Ant Entity at the pole position, Yo Daddy behind her, and Jaden to the left. But here come Jaden and Vivian. Entity loses it. Vivi and Jaden pull ahead. Jaden's clean on the final turn. Race 4 will have Yo Daddy driving the Subaru WRX STI in red. Yo Daddy finished third place overall in the DNQ tournament. Entity puts a huge block on the Subaru. The other 4 cars go high, and Entity forces Yo Daddy off the track. Yo Daddy ends up with a DNF while Entity gets first place. Race 5 will have Vivi in the purple Mercedes starting pole position. Vivi made it all the way to the finals and finished 4th place. Vivi and Iron Man are off to a huge lead. Iron Man looks inside. Yo Daddy shoves Iron Man. Iron Man spins out. Vivi finishes first, and that will put her in a tie with Iron Man for 23 points going into the final race. Iron Man will have the pole though. As the camera pulls back, we see Jaden didn't finish, and that will be his second DNF for the series. For the final race, we will have Iron Man in the teal Mercedes in the pole position. Iron Man finished 1st place overall in the WeRaceDiecast DNQ tournament. That's a beautiful drift by Vivi. Both are smooth out of the turn. The battle for third is between Jaden and Entity, and it looks like Jaden is going to take 3rd place. After the final race, it looks like it's Iron Man takes 1st place with 29 points, Vivi 2nd with 28, and a tie for 3rd between Ant Entity and Jaden. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.